Christopher Taylor and Natoya Goule are among 4 Jamaicans expected to perform well at Bislett Games, Oslo Diamond League 2022. Christopher Cubby Taylor is among 4 Jamaicans who compete at the 2022 Bislett Games in Oslo, Norway today. Taylor takes part in the men's 400 meters, where he will face competition from the likes of Rasmus Maggi of Estonia and Alisson dos Santos of Brazil. These athletes should provide some stiff competition, so let's see if Cubby can take the win against them. Omar McLeod will also be up for business in the men's 110-meter hurdles, where his strongest competition will come from Devon Allen of the USA, who seems to be unstoppable at the moment. After beating Grant Holloway at the USATF New York Grand Prix event this past Sunday in an amazing time of 12.84 seconds, just 0.04 seconds short of the world record. A performance that some are expecting him to repeat today, possibly breaking the world record this time around. But can McLeod get the better of him and pull off an upset? I guess we will see, won't we? In the women's 800-meter event today, we will see Jamaica's Natoya Goule facing off against Keely Hodgkinson of Great Britain and Halima Nakia of Uganda, among others. While in the women's shot put event, Jamaican Danniel Dodd, who is currently ranked number 6 in the world this season, could definitely win her event. However, she will have to beat the likes of Sarah Mitton of Canada and Ariel Dongma of Portugal, who should be the strongest threats in the field of 9. Please check back on this channel at the end of the day, because I will definitely be providing an update on the day's events and how the Jamaicans performed in their different events. I am hoping that I will have good news for you viewers in that update.